Welcome to our educational video on office procedures.
Let's dive right in.
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we will learn how to speak English in the office. We will listen to 4 simple office conversations. Listen carefully and practice with us.
Situation 1. Morning greetings. Listen to David and Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am doing well. Thank you. How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I just relaxed at home. Are you ready for the busy week?
Yes, I have a lot of work today. But I am ready. Let's have a great day.
Let's learn some key phrases from this conversation.
Phrase 1. I am doing well. This is a professional way to say I am fine in the office.
Phrase 2. How was your weekend? This is the best question to ask your coworkers on a Monday morning.
Situation 2. Asking for help.
Excuse me, David. Do you have a minute?
Yes, Sarah. How can I help you?
I am having some trouble with this computer program. Can you show me how to use it?
Of course. It is very simple. Let me show you.
Thank you so much, David. I appreciate your help.
Let's learn some key phrases from this conversation.
Phrase 1. Do you have a minute? Use this to ask if someone is free before you ask for help.
Phrase 2. I appreciate your help. This is a very polite and professional way to say thank you.
Situation 3. Asking for leave.
Good afternoon, Mr. David. Can I speak with you for a moment?
Good afternoon, Sarah. Please sit down. What is it?
I am not feeling well today. I have a bad headache. Can I take a half-day leave and go home?
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Yes, you can go home and rest. Take care, Sarah.
Thank you very much, Mr. David. I will finish the remaining work tomorrow.
Let's learn some key phrases from this conversation.
Phrase 1. Can I speak with you for a moment? Use this politely when you want to talk to your boss.
Phrase 2. I am not feeling well. This is a standard phrase to explain that you are sick.
Situation 4. Saying goodbye after work.
Well, it's 5 p.m. I have finished all my work for today.
Great job, Sarah. Are you leaving now?
Yes, I'm going home. Have a good evening, David.
Thank you. Have a safe trip home. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Let's learn some key phrases from this conversation.
Phrase 1. Are you leaving now? A simple question to ask when someone is packing their bag to leave.
Phrase 2. Have a good evening. A perfect phrase to wish your coworkers well when you leave the office.
Great job today. Now you know how to speak English confidently in the office. Practice these phrases every day. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next lesson.